Hey guys, what's up? This is Lucky Star right here, and today I got 3 squishy packages, but I'm only gonna open one. So these are the 3. Okay, so here is the first one. The package is really like, I don't know, it's not like a real package, but I'm just gonna untie the knot. Oh, if you're wondering where are these from, it's from my friends. So I'm just gonna show you. See writing, where is it? Oh, there you go. It's like here. As you can see, and sorry for the bad camera. Using like a webcam to record. Okay, wait. Camera is really bad. Okay, it's like a squishy package from my BFF Jermaine. So I'm just gonna stick out a note. So here's the note. And below it says, sorry for horrible writing, and it says this. Says, thanks for trading with me. Hope you like the items extras. I'll give them. Hope to see you smiling every day. True luck. My nickname. And obviously I smile every day. So smiling is like my favorite thing to do. So I'm just gonna randomly pull out. So, so cute. It's like a Hello Kitty steam bun, or a, what do you call this? Just a dumpling or something? Hello Kitty steam bun? Hello Kitty dumpling? It's like super squishy and soft. There's a huge defect there, but I ain't tripping. Like literally. Super squishy and soft. And I'm really sorry if it's very laggy because, yeah, I already told you. Okay, so I saw it. Okay. Yeah, randomly pick. Okay, I think there's like 2 more left. Wow! This is the like a twisted bun. Oh my gosh, I always wanted this. Oh, it smells so good. It's like after you did a squishy experiment. Just like defects. Actually, me and her like traded this squishy trade package, and you know what? She gave me this only, but I gave her like rarer. I gave her like taiyaki fish and bearsku and more stuff. Okay, squish test. Alright. Whoa, it's so squishy. It's really hard to know the direction because it's like there's the webcam over there, live cam or whatever you call it. Okay. Last item is no way, guys! Like I can't stop saying no way because that time I went to my BFFFFF house, Chloe obviously. I kept on saying like no way, no way, no way. Okay, so it's a Mickey hand holding an apple, and this is the tag. Just focus it here, guys. This is like so much better. And then it has this hooker chain thingy. Okay. And this is squishy. Okay, so there's no more items already. Squish test. It feels like a stress ball, but I don't care. It is a stress ball. It's like a little bit, teeny bit of slow risingness. It's very hard to see. Okay, so I really hope you guys like this video, If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll write Jermaine's YouTube channel in the description box below. So yeah, I really hope you guys like it, and make sure to subscribe. Bye. Like literally, bye.